Hey there, bosses. In this video, you'll learn how to add and manage team members in your team account. From your team account, click on the profile photo right here, then click Manage Users. Here you'll see your active team members. You can deactivate users by clicking Options, then Deactivate User. You can also log into their accounts to help them make any changes by clicking Login As. Your access will be limited. You won't be able to change their payment gateways or the calendars they've connected due to privacy reasons, but you can help them with everything beyond that. You can invite new team members by entering their email address here and then clicking on Send Invite. Here you can view the inactive and deactivated users, and here you'll see pending invites. You can click Options here to resend the invitation or to cancel it. Additionally, you can change and hide any of your team members by going to Settings from the top menu, select User Visibility, then toggle this button right here on or off, depending on whether you want that team member to appear on your team's booking page. Alright bosses, that's how to manage team members in Book Like a Boss.